But the biggest growth in data centers at the moment and in the foreseeable future is artificial intelligence. AI requires a lot of data and a lot of computational power to work effectively. And with that, cooling becomes critical to the data center.
Because of AI, they need to increase the density of the racks to above 1 megawatt, which is considerably new architecture that they might face. At ABB, we are committed to partnering with data centers of all sizes, supporting them to scaling their operations and protection uptime.
We at Motion also are able to provide alternators that are used in the backup generation system. It helps to continue the operation without any stoppage through a power outage.
Renewables and microgrids converge with data centers because using renewables and battery energy storage system, the microgrids can operate as a self-contained electrical network or alongside of the grid. They offer the opportunity to reduce the site's carbon footprint and better manage energy costs.